The Adventures of Potpot.
Here comes Potpot.
Here comes Potpot with kita mo announcer. Here comes Potpot with her girlfriend Ban Bravo.
We're gonna follow Potpot for his adventure.
He's now walking.
Potpot is the superstar in Doña Montserrat.
He's now walking with his beautiful shoes. Yeah. It's color brown. It's very beautiful.
With this envelope
He carries his envelope full of money.
from Africa. Envelope from Africa. Made of leaves of banana.
Ay, kakapit.
Look at his hair.
Oh,
It has a sirek. Ang ilong naman ko no.
tulok.
Oh, look at him. Very handsome. His face is like Rudolph.
Poker face.
Poker face. The Adventures of Putut.
Journey to the center of Bravo.
Journey to the center of Potpot. Ay. He's now walking.
Sino na mag-yotar sa ano? Rentable sa YouTube lang.
Oh, kuliyot.
Don Yes Baroto.
Sa YouTube.
YouTube lang yung usura lang. Butang mo na yung adventure sa Potpot.
Para makita nyo si Potpot, naka-blue siya. Dali lang matandaan, kay siya lang isa naka-blue. May envelope mo dala. Napuno, sang kwarta. Ang nagaper. Iyan nobya.
Kami parong.
Ang iyabok, may sirik-sirik. Taman ka fighter. Ari naman si Boy Balatong. Ang nasuya sa iya.
Tungod lang sa iban.
Natawang iya ilong, kakiyot.
Adventure sa Potpot the Great. Ang ilong yung...
Potpot the Great covered the Punget in 1998. Ay na, tama na.